Hello guys, this is Jordash, the head and founder of Grow90 community. So today I'm back with this wonderful tutorial on how to use OBS. So if you're watching this video, that means you have been invited for our exclusive webinar on our platform, that is Grow90 platform. So right now you are confused what platform shall you use for doing this kind of webinar. So I'll show you some important some important steps how to get started on conducting the webinar. So first thing is like you have to install this software. This software is known as OBS or Open Broadcaster software. So it's an open source software using which you can do online streaming in YouTube. So for that, what you have to do is you have to install this from this website. Once you go there and click on this Mac OS, and you will get a file through which you can install. Now once you have installed, you will see there is a once you install this, you will see there is a after you open the OBS, you will see this kind of platform where you can actually do all kind of editing and all those scenes you can add. So first thing is you have to add a scene. So you have to add a scene and give a name of that scene. So give it something like this is my display. It's my main screen. So once the name already exists, so give it some other name like sample screen. Whatever name you want to give, you can give. Right now you can see it has become blank because I have selected the sample screen, and in sample screen there is no sources. So for adding the sources, it's very simple. We have to go to add, and then we have to select display capture. So for doing display capture, you have to do some kind of uh, you have to allow some kind of permissions to the software. So for Mac OS, what you have to do is you have to go to the system preference and then allow this software to do display capture. And for Windows, you have to open as an administrator in the beginning itself. When you are opening this software, you have to right click on the icon of this OBS and then select the open as administrator options, and after you open as administrator, you can actually get the display from your display. So yeah, so after you go to the sources, you can go to add, you can add display, and after adding display, you will see there is an options to write the name of the display. So I have given the name of display, so it's very easy. Now I'll try to add an image or kind of an icon, so that will help me while I'm doing some kind of broadcasting and branding of my community. So I'll give it a name of icon. Okay, so once I give it the name as an icon, so I will browse it. So for browsing, you have to click on that. You have to go. My icon is inside WebStorm projects and Econox services, QTech, public, Grow90. Icon flat. Yeah, so I'll select this as my icon. So you'll see the entire thing will be covered with my icon. I can make it small by selecting it like that. I'll make it much more small because it's a logo icon. So yeah, I'll edit up below. Or other positions to edit up is right side of your screen. So it depends actually what kind of tutorial you want to do. So I generally put it on the right. I generally put it in the below of the screen. So yeah, so right now I have put in the right side. So you can put anywhere like that. You can add sources. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the settings, and while you are doing any kind of streaming or something, you have to go to the stream, and you have to select the YouTube in just YouTube gaming service, and then server the primary YouTube ingest server, and paste the stream key of you have received from the YouTube stream platform. So you'll get the stream key either if you're conducting a webinar for someone, that person will give you the stream key, or you're conducting for yourself. You have to go to the YouTube and create the stream key by creating a new stream in the YouTube platform. So once you create the new stream in the YouTube platform, you'll be given a stream key. You'll be you copy that stream key and paste it here, and then do OK. Right now I'm doing kind of recording. So yeah, so you just paste it OK, and then the stream key will be OK. And then what you can do, you can click on start streaming. Once you do on start streaming, your video and your audio will start streaming into the YouTube platform. So that's how you can do the entire streaming using this OBS software. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and yeah, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.